At the State Line Diner in Mahwah, joy is on the menu 24/7.
Very fittingly named
Yes.
Joy.
Yes.
81, been here for 30 years. Joy, how you
Yes.
feeling today?
Feeling great. We're open all day, 24 hours, for our municipal workers, our patrons, good food, good service. I hope you come on in.
And despite the conditions,
Yeah,
you made the trek in.
conditions. Yeah. Yeah, my husband brought me to work this morning. He's picking me up. I get to go home early. And it's a beautiful snow day, right?
It's beautiful,
a little
yeah.
cold.
It's a little cold.
Yeah.
The wind hurts.
Yeah.
But it's pretty.
It's pretty, right? Yes, we're having a good day.
But a good day hitting roadblocks in some cases.
It's rough. So you can see, like people are getting stuck in the middle of the road,
Cars up and down Route 17 stalled in snow piles.
They said this is the only place open, so we made it fine. But as we came to get into the drive, there was a bank of snow.
Including this family stopping at the diner during a visit from Texas.
We did really good until today, and we're hoping tomorrow we'll fly out. We've been told not to worry because up here you guys are totally prepared for the snow, and as soon as it stops, they'll have those flights running. So we're hoping for the best.
And how are things in Texas?
Worse than here because they aren't very prepared for this kind of weather. So they have a lot of power outages. Everything is closed.
Not the case in New Jersey, where snow removers were out in full force, making the most of business.
Me and my friends, we have our own snow shoveling company called MMA Cleaning, as you could see. So if you're in need, make sure to call 973-606-0292.
There you go, man. Good for you guys.
Yeah.
Have you guys been shoveling today?
Yeah, all day today.
How's it been going?
Oh, it's pretty good. Really hard to get to jobs, but a lot of snow and it's a lot of fun.
You put on a jacket?
No, not actually. Haven't. Not that bad.
How are you doing that? Not that bad. It's
Yeah,
freezing
some
out here.
parts the snow's up to like your knees, past your knees in some parts.
Big shout out to those young entrepreneurs right there. Now, we did speak with the Bergen County executive who says that crews are still working tonight to get these roads clear. And he does warn that roads may still be dangerous, conditions may still be bad in the morning. So plan that time in your morning commute. Maybe give yourself some extra time if you do have to head out. If you don't have to head out, that is the better bet. We're live in Mahwah tonight. I'm Angelo Bavaro, Pix 11 News.
Yeah, and